Hey guys, it's me, Rabbit here. I am playing WWE 2K15. I just made a new wrestler. Sorry that you hear the water falling. It's my daddy taking a shower. This is the character I made debut. This is my whole roster. Everybody knows the Divas. If I do not have the Paige DLC, why would I hate Paige? I have every single manager. I have both teams. And here's my custom guy, Blizzard Blue. So you can see his debut today. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, this is, I want to be my manager. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woman. No, I don't want to fight Woman. I'm gonna die. He's gonna kill me. Woman will kill me. Woman's gonna kill me like a flea. No, not Cesaro. I hate Cesaro. Nah. Oh yeah, someone I really hate from Miz. Ooh. Okay, I want to fight at my custom FCW arena. I think, what did I even say? I think it's an arena, so yeah, it's indoors. So yeah. Did you I have an Xbox 360, not a dumb Xbox One, or a dumb PlayStation 4. And let me say it. There I am. There's my manager. She's getting hit by the fire, my pile. Guys, she was burning. She was burning in my pile. Guys, she was burning in my pile. Oh, where'd she go? Where did she go, guys? Where is she? Where is she? What the heck? Whew. I created this whole arena. Her name is Blizzard Blue. Okay, that was cool. That's too loud. I'm finding the moose. Yeah, his name is Blizzard Blue. No one did not have Xbox Live. Well, who would even look up Blizzard Blue? Okay, sorry. I hate Mrs. Entrance. So yeah, that's why yeah. Charlie, Charlie. But it's his time to shine. Oh yeah. Boom! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Is my diving cost body too bad for you? Since you're not getting a flashlight? Oh yeah, in the corner already again. Tornado DDT. What a tornado DDT. No! Oh no! He interrupted my leap of faith. No! He didn't even know I was gonna do that. No! How dare you hit my manager? He doesn't do my signature. Boom! Let me do my finisher. Well, one of my finishers. Oh yeah, one. Oh yeah. This is getting dizzy. He's getting dizzy. Boom! Did you guys just see that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's like how quick the match was. I mean, really, guys? Yeah, that was a pretty cool match. I know. Okay, so I was pretty sick when I did the airplane spin. That's the move when I lifted him up and I was all. And I was all whoa, 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 whoa. See? Don't have that way. Looking at my achievements. You guys can look if you want. Well, this one. It's one of these. That's for my star. Oh, 2K Showcase. Complete. Best Friends, Better Enemies. SummerSlam 2002, SummerSlam on harder or higher. I did hard. Complete 50 objectives in 2K Showcase. Successfully perform a catching finisher. One kind of superstar. Create a custom superstar that uses a superstar head. And yeah, I got this one. Use a wake-up time, land a finish, and immediately pin your opponent. Reach the ropes. create and play a match in at least one custom arena. Come back successfully before we come back. Watch out successfully with a finisher and red box. Break an announce table with an OMG moment. Single play expedition. Woo! And Batman Origin doing the yeah, bye. See ya next time. Blue.